catch all the fish until we drink all the beer. Okay, not being sponsored by him. Sent some money to this guy. He sent me all these jigs. Definitely want to try them today. But going to the old ice fishing kit. For this particular lake, I really love my, what do you call them? TJJ. Anyway, small, real small. The fish in here don't have the biggest mouths, so I like to go with a smaller jig. The trout here are pretty small, so do small stuff like this, right? Just tiny. See what I do to make these videos? Alright, TJJ ice fishing jig, Gretzky. Hello. TJJ jig, if you can see that. Real tiny. Do you see that okay? Alright, little piece of shrimp. It's the alien ice whore. I left the tent with everybody. We were getting a bite every hour. Came to my spot that I was at last time in my last video. No one wanted to come with me. I dropped down. Didn't even have a chance to get a GoPro going. And got our first fish. 3 fish. Yeah, I just lost one as you guys were rolling up. It's not cold, just chairs are good. It's better than laying on the ice. Well, there's service.
It's hard to tell, right? No, I don't.
Oh, you got him, keep going. Oh, dear. Oh.
Gretzky with a fish.
And my...
Oh!
Did you see that?
He fell back in.
He spit it right at my face and the hook went, I closed my eyes and I opened them and it was sitting right there.
Brett caught a minnow and a Brett.
Look at that blend and everything. Yeah, I'm breathing.
You're breathing. Get a fish. Watch your nose, Brett. Watch your nose.
I don't care about
hey! Pull them right out over by my feet, Melanie.
They're so light.
Keep pulling. It's a good one. Keep on it.
Go.
Dear.
Oh, oh good.
Yeah.
Fish with Paul B, baby. Kissing with Paul B, baby. Okay. Send Mr. Corey a pin where we are. There's a cozy bed. There's Corey.
Got a smoke box going on.
Hot boxing?
Hot boxing?
Where's the boys?
Back here. Could be anything getting out of here.
What's up, guys? Were you sleeping? Were you sleeping? No. Fish with Paul B, baby. Aww.
What is it?
It's a sucker.
Alright.
There he goes.
Okay, good.
Night ice fishing with Paul B, baby. Was it worth it?
Yes, worth the wait.
When your woman or your man, your significant other, your significant not other, your significant question mark is complaining, it's taking too long, it's worth the wait. Tell them, shut up, it's worth the wait. That's why it's fishing, not catching. Fishing with Paul B and Wendy B, baby.
Come on, baby.
That is a gooder. Oh, get him out of the hole. Oh, it's another sucker. Oh, you're too close to the bottom.
Fishing with Wendy B.
Fish, look at his lips up. Give him a kiss. Oh, no.
Yay!
Can you guys do me a favor? Wendy, can you point at it? Yes. Can you guys hit that like button and share it on Facebook and comment below? And also, oh, there it is. Can you guys hit the subscribe button? And if you haven't yet, what are you waiting for? Fishing with Paul and Wendy B, baby. Okay, the outro. We had a great time fishing. Caught lots of fish. Tried out the camper. Diesel heater worked like a charm. Drove out. Dual battery setup was working great. We're leaving to head back home. Just talking about how much we enjoyed sleeping in the truck. And so, AMA is on their way to pick up the truck. We're getting it towed. So that's how we end this trip. Fishing with Paul B. And